What's up, guys? It's been a little while, but welcome back to the shop. Got a nice shot of what we're going to be reviewing tonight, and that is our M44 production downpipes. This is a part one. There's going to be a follow-up part two with we're going to compare it to all the other downpipes on the market. So just waiting for some of those to come in. It'll be a Lindsay Racing, Speed Force Racing, and a Fab Speed one if I can get my hands on it. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm actually switching over to this one. I have their first production 3-inch downpipes. This is their second gen with a bunch of different changes. A lot of good stuff to go over. This is a factory used downpipe. You can see it's a bit crusty, a bit carboned up, but it's just there for comparison. So when you get this downpipe, it comes with reusable copper gaskets. Here too, this is a flat cut gasket, reusable. It comes with the nuts. These are copper coated and they are locking nuts so they do not back off. And it comes with the washers, flat cut, so they fit on the flange. I don't know if you guys can see that. Obviously it doesn't go on this side, but it'd be more like that. Fits on the flange. So it comes with all the hardware you need to install it. This generation has the tab on the bottom. Reinforced tab, big, nice, thick mounting spot for your bolt. This gives the whole unit much more rigidity and a lot more support. Very good addition there. You can see these beautiful welds. You couldn't ask for some better quality. This tubing is 304 stainless. It doesn't need to be 321 since it's after the turbo. These are CNC Mandrel bent pipes made in America. And you can see they're just absolutely beautiful. Really smooth transitions. No overhangs on the flanges. This flange is actually taper cut. It's hard to see in the video, but it actually matches the taper on the turbo. So it's a smooth transition right into that flange. Same thing on the bottom here. No overhangs, just a really beautiful flowing pipe. It's only a 2-piece pipe. Sometimes you'll see 3 pieces where somebody cuts another pipe there. The blemish ones of these that were sold are, I think, 3 or 4 pieces, but the final production one looks a lot like this. Really thick flanges. You can't beat this quality. It's up there, man. And look at those welds. Couldn't ask for better. It's all been back purged, and this is the biggest downpipe you could get without having to really modify everything like crazy. It does come with the adapter flange for your exhaust. Basically, you cut the old flange off your old 3-inch exhaust, weld this on there. Now you're compatible. Uses, again, these special flanges. Pretty much the biggest flange you can use for our turbos, and still have room for a big pipe. And again, this just little transition piece here is very well made. Again, no overhangs. Pipe's all been back purged and welded. Really, really nice design. Part two, we're going to go over some things. This pipe ID is 2.85, and again, it's pretty much the biggest you can go using our turbos. It's actually the same size as the turbo outlet, so or hot side outlet, I should say. And on the factory one is 2.2 inches, so it's a lot smaller, nowhere near the quality, way heavier. But yeah, you can pick these up at M44 Performance. They sell them. They have sold a bunch already. Sells them on 944online.com. Here, I'll post a link in our description, and you'll be able to get all that. I'll also post a link on the description on the website for M44. It's still a work in progress, the website, but you can get it all. And these will be available to purchase online soon. There'll be a link once it's provided. I'll put it all up on there so you guys can grab them. But really nicely done. It's a shame I don't even want to wrap it. It's that nice looking that just want to show it off. This version also comes with the studs where the first version did not. So that's a nice add-on. So there will be a part 2, and we'll have much more to cover with a bunch of different downpipes. And look forward to getting some more videos out for you guys. I know it's been a while. I've also got a whole other subject to cover over here. Sorry for my messy basement, but that is the old exhaust system. As you've seen in my other video, tons of leaks on that thing. I've been waiting for months and months, and I've got this crown jewel here, again from M44 Performance, and I will cover this in a later video, but man, it just looks so good. Lots of nice stuff going on here that we will cover later on, but that's a little sneak peek for you. But again, we will be going over this on a part 2, comparing it to every other brand on there, and I can almost guarantee you cannot match the quality of that unit right there. You guys have a good one.